Check out our newest feature release. Now you can limit product inventory on order forms and within the online store. Now you can track and limit product quantities seamlessly across order forms, online stores, funnels, or websites with our latest CRM update. Now you can ensure a seamless shopping experience by limiting and tracking product inventory. You can also streamline your e-commerce operations by easily setting and managing available quantities for products, whether they're a physical item or a virtual entity like an event ticket or a webinar ticket. This is going to allow you to experience the convenience of real-time inventory updates, providing instant visibility on all of those stock levels. So imagine organizing an online flash sale for a limited edition product or for webinar tickets to an exclusive webinar. With inventory management in the CRM's e-commerce area, you can effortlessly set and track available quantities, preventing overselling and ensuring a smooth customer experience, ultimately driving engagement and boosting sales. So let's go ahead and create a product. First, you're going to go into Payments in the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, select Products. Once you're in Products, I want you to go ahead and click on Plus Create Product. Now we're going to access the newly added Track Inventory feature. That's going to be under the Pricing tab. And once you select that Pricing tab, you're going to see the Track Inventory that I have highlighted in green. Now, what's really cool is if a product is not available, you're actually going to see it as currently unavailable. And those out-of-stock items are going to be marked as sold out on your order forms. So let's go ahead and see how this works within variants. Go ahead and add a variant, and let's go ahead and check that out. Now, even within the variants, you have that checkbox where you can track inventory. So go ahead and fill that out accordingly. You can also access the details of different variants. Just go ahead and click on the View Adjustment History while you're under Product Information. And then from there, access the details of different variants. Here you can see all of the different variants within your one single product. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.